So as you know, I have a healthy game plan to my life, to the way I eat. I like having different variations of dishes. So I like to fuel up before games with carbohydrates, including brown rice pasta, healthy gnocchi, different types of sandwiches. And what I like to put on top of these is what I'm going to show you is my favorite recipe, and that's the Basil Pesto sauce. It's extremely high in fiber, but also has a lot of healthy fats that I'll go through and show you guys. Start off with my water, oil, my top ingredient, the basil, walnuts, which are a healthy fat for me. Going through a season, burning a lot of calories. This is a great little snack that I eat just on the regular, but having this in here just adds to the healthy fats. Salt. And right here we have the nutritional yeast. And this is high in protein also. Throughout the season and off season, I'm mainly on a plant-based diet, so this is one of the ways that I do get protein into my diet. It has all the amino acids that are used to help me recover and be able to play a long season. I chop up my garlic. Lemon. Then I also have a squeezed lemon, and that'll be the last thing that goes into this. Now for the good stuff. Make sure it's nicely whipped together. Woo! Smells really good. Homemade pesto sauce that I like to put on top of my pastas. I also make this and have almonds, and it's just a good added ingredient on top of those type of healthy fats that I eat on top of carbohydrates. And for me, you could dice up sliced potatoes, roast them, put the pesto on top. So many different variations that a healthier fat for me with extremely healthy ingredients that help me be able to perform on a daily basis.